Hello student, today we are discussing a very interesting topic of permutation combination, that is dearrangement. So first we have to understand what is dearrangement. So to understand this one we are taking one example. That example is, suppose we have 5 distinct balls and all are different colors. Okay, that is red color ball, green, blue, orange and white color ball. So we have 5 distinct balls and all are different color. Okay, now for each ball we have one box of same color. So for red color ball we have one red box. For green color ball we have one green box. For blue color ball we have one blue box. For orange color ball we have orange box. And for white color ball we have one white box. Okay, now here we want dearrangement. So what is dearrangement? So dearrangement is nothing but a special kind of arrangement. So what is dearrangement? So these 5 balls, if you arrange in such a way that no ball goes to same color box, that is called dearrangement. That means for red color ball should not go in red box. Similarly, green color ball should not go in green box. Similarly, blue color ball should not go in blue box. Orange color ball should not go in orange box. Similarly, white color ball should not go in white box. Okay, so dearrangement is nothing but in every arrangement these 5 balls should not go in same color box. That is called dearrangement. Okay, now we are generalizing dearrangement. For that we are assuming that A1, A2, A3, so on, A and B and distinct things such that their position are fixed in a row. If we now rearrange A1, A2, A3, so on, An in such a way that no one occupy its original position, then such an arrangement is called dearrangement. Suppose we have n distinct things. Okay, for n distinct things we have n place. Now we are rearranging all the things in such a way that no one occupy its own place. That is called dearrangement. And how to find out total number of v? So for finding dearrangement of n things we have to use this formula, that is n factorial in bracket 1 by 0 factorial minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial minus 1 by 5 factorial plus so on. This will be continued till minus 1 power n divided by n factorial. Okay, so this is the formula for finding dearrangement of n things. So total number of ways nothing but this one. So we have to use this formula for finding total number of ways of dearrangement. Now we are discussing proof of dearrangement. So what is the proof? We want total number of way of arrangement of n things in such a way that none of the thing is going its correct place. Okay, so we want total number of way of arrangement. Total number of ways of dearrangement of n things. Okay, we want total number of ways of dearrangement of n things. So for finding dearrangement, what we will do? First we have to find out total number of ways of arrangement of n things. Okay, so in this one we have to arrange n things at n place. Okay, so here something is going to correct place and something is going wrong place, that is also okay. If all thing is going to correct place, that is also okay, and this is also possible that all thing is going wrong place. So all will be included here. So from here we have to subtract total number of ways of arrangement of n things in which at least one thing is going its correct place. Okay, so here we are finding total number of way of arrangement of n things in which at least one thing is going its correct place. That means we are finding total number of way where exactly one thing is going correct place, plus total number of way where exactly two thing is going correct place, plus total number of way where exactly three thing is going correct place, and so on. Last is what? Total number of way where exactly n thing is going correct place. So we are finding this one. So if you subtract from here, this one will get total number of way where none of the thing is going correct place. So that is total number of way of dearrangement. Okay. So this we will represent by total number of is what? N of u. Okay. Minus this we can write as n of a1 union a2 union a3 union and so on union en. Okay, this we can find out easily. So total number of dearrangement equal to n of u. N of u is what? Total number of way of arrangement of n things where there is no condition, minus n of a1 union a2 union a3 union so on union an. So that means total number of way of arrangement of n things where at least one thing is going correct place. So this we have to subtract. So what will come? N of u. N of u is what? Total number of way of arrangement of n things where there is no condition. So what will come? N factorial minus this we can expand by using principle of inclusion and exclusion. So what will come? In bracket sigma n of ai minus sigma n of ai intersection aj plus sigma n of ai intersection aj intersection ak minus and so on plus minus 1 power n minus 1 sigma n of a1 intersection a2 intersection a3 and so on intersection an. This will come. Okay, so what will come? N factorial minus in bracket sigma n of ai. So what is n of ai? N of is what? Total number of a where one thing is going correct place. Okay, so out of n thing one thing is going correct place, that means remaining n minus one things can be raised any number of a. Okay, so remaining n minus one things, if something is going correct place, that is also okay. If all thing is going correct place, that is also okay. If all thing is going wrong place, that is also okay. Okay, so remaining n minus one things we can arrange any number of ways. Okay, so what will come? Out of n things we have to select one things, that is nc1. Okay, so we selected one things. Now we have to arrange that one things at correct place. So how many ways? Only one way. So remaining n minus one things we have to arrange any number of ways, that is n minus 1 factorial. Okay, minus next is what? Sigma n of ai intersection aj. So what is n of ai intersection aj? Okay, so that is out of n things two things is going correct place. That means remaining n minus two things we can arrange any number of way. Okay, remaining n minus two things we can arrange any number of way. In that means in that we can arrange all n minus two things correct place, that is also okay. All n minus two things wrong place, that is also okay. Or out of n minus two things, if some is going correct place, some is going wrong place, that is also okay. Okay, so first we have to select two things, that is nc2. So we selected two things. Now two things will go correct place, that is one way only. So into 1. Remaining n minus two things we can arrange any number of way. That means there is no condition. So what will come? N minus 2 factorial plus sigma n of ai intersection aj intersection ak. That means out of n things, three things is going correct place. So that means we have to select three things. So nc3. Okay, so three things is going correct place, that is arrangement is what? One way. Okay, remaining is what? N minus three things. So remaining n minus three things we can arrange any number of ways. Okay, so there is no condition. So what will come? N minus 3 factorial. Okay, and so on plus minus 1 power n minus 1. Okay, sigma n of ai in a1 intersection a2 intersection a3 and so on intersection an. That means total number of way where all thing is going correct place. Okay, so all thing is going correct place, that is one way only. So what will come? 1 in bracket. So this will come. Okay, now what will come? This is what? N factorial minus nc1 is what? N. So what will come? N into n minus 1 factorial minus nc2 we can write as what? N into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial plus nc3 we can write as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 3 factorial into n minus 3 factorial. Okay, minus and so on plus minus 1 power n minus 1 1. This will come. Okay, now what will come? N factorial minus we are taking inside. So what will come? N into n minus 1 factorial, that is n factorial. Minus minus plus. So what will come? Plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. So this we can add n factorial divided by 2 factorial. Okay, this will come minus. So what will come? Minus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial. This we can add n factorial divided by 3 factorial plus and so on plus minus 1 power n minus 1 we can add as minus 1 power n into 1. Okay, so this will come. This we can add in bracket. Okay, now here we are taking n factorial common. So if you take n factorial common, what will come? N factorial is outside in bracket. This one is what? 1 minus this one is also 1 plus this one is also 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial. Okay, next term what will come? 1 by 4 factorial. Okay, minus and so on plus minus 1 power n divided by n factorial. So this will come. So this is the formula of dearrangement. So this you have to remember.